Hello, welcome to another mini lesson. My name is Michael with ACE English School Japan, located in Takasaki, Guma. Okay, today's lesson will be one's family. So this is one that I use that I hear misused a lot in the classroom. So I want to teach it to everybody and make it a little bit more clear. Okay? Okay. So one's family. For example, my son's family. So my son is separate from my son's family. Okay? So a lot of people, the image that they have is my son's family. But this is wrong. Okay? So it should be separate. My son and his family. My son and my son's family. Okay? So let's do some examples of this. Okay? My son and his family live in Tokyo. Okay? My son and his family live in Tokyo. Okay? My son and his family live in Tokyo. Okay? Now you try. Good. One more time. Very good. Okay. And another way to say this, you can also say, my son lives in Tokyo with his family. Okay? So, my son lives in Tokyo with his family. So, with. Okay? Okay, one more time. My son lives in Tokyo with his family. Okay? Now you try. Good. One more time. Good. Okay. So let's do another example. Okay. My daughter, let me write that a little more clear. My daughter visited me last Saturday. Okay? My daughter visited me last Saturday. Okay. So you try. Good. Okay, one more time. Very good. Okay. And let me show you an example of the other style of that I said before. It's not together. Okay? My daughter family let me change this. My son's family stayed with me while my son was away on business. Okay? Okay, so this sentence, the son isn't included, okay? So, my son's family stayed with me while my son was away on business, okay? While means at the same time. While means at the same time. So when the son was away on business, his wife and children stayed at my house, okay? Okay, let's try that again. My son's family stayed with me while my son was away on business. Okay, you try. Good, one more time. Good, very good. Okay, and there's a couple more things I want to teach you real quick, okay? Now, when we're talking about ourselves, our own family, we normally say, my family and I. My family and I. So my family and I are going to America next month. Okay. My family and I are going to America next month. Okay? And one more time. My family and I are going to America next month. Okay? You try. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now, another way that you can say this, my family and I, you can change that to we. We, if you don't introduce who we are, like my friends visited and we went to a restaurant, if you just start the sentence with we are going to America next month. Okay. So when we use we can be my family and I, or if it's just me and my wife or me and a girlfriend, you can say we. If it's a couple, you can say we. Okay? As long as the other people know that we would be your family or your girlfriend or your boyfriend or whatever it is. Okay? So this is another way to say we are going to America next month. Okay? We are going to America next month. Okay? You try. One more time. Very good. Good job. Okay. So I hope that clears it up for you. Anybody who had any questions, I hope you learned something from this video. If you liked it, please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit like, leave a comment, let us know what you liked or what you didn't like. Okay, and I hope to see you again next time, and also share this video with anybody who is studying English. Okay, alrighty, thank you. See you next time. Bye.